1809 Vermont gubernatorial election. The 1809 Vermont gubernatorial election for governor of Vermont took place throughout September and resulted in the election of Jonas Galusha to a one-year term. The Vermont General Assembly met in Montpelier on October 12. The Vermont House of Representatives appointed a committee to examine the votes of the freemen of Vermont for governor, lieutenant governor, treasurer, and members of the governor's council. The committee's examination of the votes showed that Jonas Galusha had defeated incumbent Governor Isaac Tichenor for a one-year term. In the election for lieutenant governor, the voters selected Paul Brigham for a one-year term, his 14th. Benjamin Swan was elected to his 10th one-year term as treasurer. In the races for lieutenant governor and treasurer, the vote totals and names of other candidates were not recorded. In the race for governor, a contemporary newspaper article reported the results as follows. Results == references ==